About those, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. So this is a video that I did not record when I connected my rear tail light on the Roadster. So as many of you guys know, the Roadster does not have a full fender. This is a full fender, and of course this is a custom dynamics. You have a circuit board that you could get, but you can see that I just installed it directly onto my tail light. So I just use these quick disconnects, and I mean, that's it. You just gotta know which wires what. Now on your Roadster, you have your side mounted license plate. So one of these wires, I don't know which one, but one of these wires is my running light, and that used to be the license plate wire, so that's why I'm using that one. So, and since I'm not using the side mounted license plate, then I don't need that wire, or use it somewhere else, because I also have my turn signals, which are these. You can see it's the same thing. Quick disconnect to your OEM connector. So this is your turn signals. I'm still working on the saddlebag, so that I'm going to use that for that, of course, obviously. So like I said, on this one you have your turn signals, but on the Roadster, whenever you apply your brake or you apply your turn signal, that's also gonna turn on that light. So if I were to connect my turn signal left or right, which is both of these, then the amber light in this thing, the outside amber, would turn on when I hit the brakes, and then when I'm braking, it's gonna be red and amber, and I'm not sure if that's okay here in California. So I'm not going to connect them. Like I said, I could, since I already have the ground here. This is my ground. I could easily just connect this to my signal lights, and then I'll have left and right. But like I said, repeating myself one more time, if I hit the brake, both of these lights would turn on, because there's a connector somewhere inside of this rat nest. There's a connector somewhere in there that activates everything. So I'm going to leave these by themselves, but like I said, I could connect this to the left and right, but I'm not going to on my Roadster. Now if you have your Sportster and your signal lights are not connected to your brake lights, then obviously you would connect these two as well, so you could have stop, always on, left and right. All right, so let's go ahead and just, like I said, I basically, you can see what I did here. All right, I soldered these. I heat shrink, like always. I heat shrink everything, okay? It's always better. The Harley shake a ton. So you can see what I did here, of course. Just solder these to extend the lines a little bit. Or who knows, maybe they're a little bit too short. I believe they came with this connector and I didn't want that, so that's why I just I'm not too sure why I did this. But oh, now I know. Now I remember. I didn't have the crimping tool at the time, so I just I don't know, this makes no sense. I don't know why. Anyways, you could obviously just trim these and then just put the connector. You don't have to solder them. I don't know why I did this. This was last year. So anyways, getting back onto the video, let's go ahead and just match up our lights. So we know the masking tape or the electrical tape is this one, and then we know the black wire is your ground, so we connect that. And then for the last wire, I marked it with a blue pen. We connect those, and that's it. So that is now connected, and we just bolt that in there. We tuck in these wires as much as possible, and then bolt it up, and then that's how you connect your tail light without having the circuit board, because that typically goes right here. We don't need it. That's it. You guys stay out there, stay safe. That's how you connect the tail light, Amazon tail light, to your Sportster without the circuit board. Stay out there, stay safe. Later.